In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the spam or junk folder in Gmail. Now, this might seem like a simple task for some, but it's an essential skill to have, especially if you're expecting an important email that just hasn't arrived in your main inbox. Sometimes emails might get mistakenly routed to your spam folder due to stringent filtering by Gmail, and it's a good idea to regularly check this folder to ensure you don't miss out on anything important. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account on your computer or mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This sidebar displays various folders like your inbox, sent mail, trash, and a few others. Depending on your settings and whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, the placement of these folders might slightly differ, but they'll generally follow a similar order. As you scroll down this list of folders, you'll eventually come across an option that says More. This is the key to accessing additional folders that might not be immediately visible. So, click on the More option, which will expand the list to reveal other folders, including the one we're interested in, Spam. Once you can see the Spam folder, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the folder, and you'll be able to see all the emails that have been categorized as spam. Here you can skim through the list to see if there are any emails you actually need. If there are, you can mark them as not spam to move them back to your main inbox. Keep in mind that Gmail automatically deletes items in the spam folder after more than 30 days to keep it manageable and prevent clutter. Now, there are a couple of things to note to make this process smoother. Try to make a habit of checking your spam folder regularly, especially if you're waiting for a specific email or if you're wondering why you haven't received an email you were expecting. This practice ensures you're not missing out on any crucial communications. And while you're at it, if you notice legitimate emails ending up in spam, it's worth reviewing your Gmail settings or contacting the sender to see if they might be able to rectify the issue from their end as well. And that's it for today's tutorial. With these simple steps, you now know how to locate and check your spam or junk folder in Gmail. Checking this folder regularly can save you from missing important emails. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.